Hi everyone, this is the Wax Whisperer. I hope you're all keeping well and safe. Welcome to my latest video. It's of a patient who attended with bilateral fully occluding earwax. We're just in the right ear to begin with, and this ear consists of very mushy, soft, wet, loose type of earwax. And with this type of earwax, it can quite easily block the suction probe, the zonal suction probe. So if you've been watching my videos, you would know that I often, in these types of cases, install some olive oil earwax drops, and olive oil helps to bind the wax together. I always compare olive oil during an earwax removal procedure to that of an egg, for example, in a fish cake or potato cake recipe. It helps to bind all the ingredients together. In addition, the oil helps to lubricate the zonal suction probe, so it minimises blockages as the wax is travelling up. So you can just see the difference it's made. There's a few hairs there attached to the wax. Still a bit slushy, more medially, but it is coming out. The left ear, you'll see that in a moment, which is also fully occluding. The earwax in there is a lot firmer and stickier and drier, and there's a few more skin adhesions. So the patient doesn't report using drops in his right ear. It's just in his right ear, it's got a natural wet type of wax consistency. In the left, it's more dry. It can happen, it's rare. And typically, patients, when they attend with bilateral earwax, the consistency in both ears is very similar, but you do get the odd one or two patients where they actually have different types of earwax in each ear. So it's just got lodged near the entrance. You can see there's a few more hairs there, so the wax is quite matted. So I did advise the patient, whenever they're trimming their ear hairs, to just place some cotton wool with some Vaseline just at the entrance of the ear canal, so it's blocking the entrance of these hairs. Once they're being trimmed, they don't fly loose. And I've just managed to wriggle this out in a large lump. At the end of the video, you'll see the lumps of earwax from both ears side by side. You'll see just how large they are. That's the patient's tympanic membrane, nice and healthy, just mopping up near the entrance because of the oil. So just drying that up, mopping that up, and we get another view of the tympanic membrane. And we're just moving over to the left ear. So you can see the wax here, it's a bit more matted, a bit more wax, and I can tell this has been impacted. I just know the patient's either been using a cotton bud or wears earbuds, and it has just pushed this wax a bit further in, and it's tightly adhered to the base of the ear canal. So I'm just slowly lifting, elevating this plug of wax off the canal wall. So you can see there, it's just gently manoeuvring it up, and as soon as I get a suction grip, I'm going to gently manipulate, wriggle. You can see these little wriggle motions I'm making. That just helps detach the wax from the canal wall to mobilise it. And just a bit of keratin on the left, the anterior canal wall. So I've just removed that. And you can see the wax has come out in one singular large piece. And just like the right ear, nice healthy tympanic membrane. Lovely view there. And you'll see the wax plugs there. I think the wax plug on the right is from the first ear, the right ear, and the one from the left is from the left ear. Hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Take care.